Mr. Sohan, do you like your name?
Yes, sir. I like most my name.
Who named your name?
Sir, it gives me my mom.
Your mom.
Yes, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
Actually, I have two siblings. They are my two elder brothers.
What does your father do?
Actually, my father is a teacher, and my father's name is Joyrul Haq.
Okay. Where does he teach?
In my village, he is a teacher in Bangla.
Bangla.
Yes.
Well, do you have a close relationship with your father?
Actually, sir, my father is my best friend, and when I feel sad that time, he always supports me, and always he gives me real life examples, and also he motivates me. Like, yeah, you will do better in your life.
What do you usually do with your father?
Actually, I have a close relationship with my father, and in our free time, we watch cricket, we watch football. Like last year when I was at my home, that time we watched a football match like Barcelona or Real Madrid, and we watch many kinds of things together. And in the free time, sometimes I spend my time with my fathers in near to my village. It's a beautiful village in near to my village. This name is Tulatuli Road.
Okay. And which game do you like the most?
Actually, sir, there are many kinds of games I like, but among them, my favorite game is cricket. I love most cricket, and I play cricket very well. And in my local area, I am a local cricket player in my area.
Are you a bowler or batter?
Actually, sir, I'm a bowler and fielder, not batter.
Bowler
And fielder, yes.
well, spinner or seamer?
Spinner, sir.
Spinner.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever thought to be a professional cricketer?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Well, do you know there is a cricketer of Bangladesh cricket team named Nurul Hassan Sohan?
Yes, sir. Nurul Hassan Sohan, I know. Also, Nazmul Hassan Sohan. My name is also Nazmul Hassan.
Nazmul Hassan.
Nazmul Hassan.
Nurul Hassan Sohan. In your opinion, who is the best wicket keeper of Bangladesh cricket team?
Actually, in Bangladesh cricket team, best wicket keeper is Mushfiqur Rahman.
Mushfiqur Rahim.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, are you watching the games of BPL?
BPL. Sir, actually, right now I live at Mirpur one in Dhaka for enhance my spoken skill. That time I won't get any enough time to watch BPL match, so I don't watch.
Well, and very interesting thing. And in your opinion, who is the best captain ever in Bangladesh cricket team?
Bangladesh cricket team. Mashrafi bin Murtoza is the best captain in Bangladesh, and he was the best captain in Bangladesh when he was at in Bangladesh cricket team. That time our team is played too much good. So I think Mashrafi bin Murtoza is best captain. He was best captain in Bangladesh.
And what do you think? Who is the best batter of Bangladesh cricket team ever?
Ever,
Yes.
sir, we have a all rounder. His name is Sakib Al Hasan.
Okay.
And Sakib Al Hasan, I think Sakib Al Hasan is the most popular cricketer, not only my country, in the world. He is a all rounder cricketer. Then I think most popular batsman in my country, Sakib Al Hasan.
Sakib Al Hasan.
Yes.